Hi guys, welcome back to the Cosmetic Fire channel. Hi all my fire starters. I'm here with another review. I told you guys that the next time I was going to do a review that I would, maintain my integrity, so I did not open this box yet. You still has the plastic on it. Not really feeling this song. Oh, love that one though. Um, again, that is my iHeartRadio app on the cheerleader radio station. This is another subscription box. The samples are free. The shipping is $5. You get this once a quarter, and this is the Walmart Beauty Box. Okay, so for every season you get samples to try from Walmart, and they pertain to skincare, beauty. Sometimes you get perfume, but it's mainly cosmetics, and I think you get like quite a few. And it's kind of crazy that even Walmart Beauty gives you more samples than Ipsy and Birchbox and all that. Mainly because a lot of the Walmart Beauty samples are the foil packets, and they contain coupons and stuff like that. So, okay, it says help define your beauty. Find these products and more at your local Walmart. And of course, you can follow Love Your Beauty Box, share it online, Walmart Beauty Box on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. This is what the box looks like. Oh my stars. They sent me red lipstick. And this is Revlon Ultra HD lipstick in 875. I can't even pronounce the name. I want to say Gladalicious or something like that. Okay. I'm not going to swatch this for you guys because, as you guys know, I have my own cosmetic company. And when my customers, refer friends and, they make tons of orders, I love to send them great free samples of stuff to try. So this is what that looks like. Okay. That's a really nice color. So that's one sample. They sent me the Aussie Mega Hairspray, and it says 24-hour flexible hold in one spray, and it's a 24-hour anti-humidity resistant. That's cool. I typically don't use holding spray. So yeah, this is gonna be nice for someone. I have a Sublime Bronze Tinted Self Tanning Lotion in medium natural tan in a travel size from L'Oreal. It says instant shimmer, quick dry, streak free, 100% natural looking tan. So that's what that looks like. Oh shoot, I got my hands in it. Yeah, I'm a brown girl already, so I typically won't be using this. So that's gonna make another nice gift. I love this song. I have a full size 5 curve Sensing Blade by Hydro Chic Slick Silk Disposable. And yeah. Yep. Oh shoot. And yeah, so I'm definitely gonna use that. No sharesies on that, cause all this hair. I recently started shaving my face too, so this is gonna make good for that. I think this is for shaving your hoo-ha, but I'm not sure. Is 5 blades on it, so I think that's gonna be great. Oh, I can't wait to try that. How the heck do I get this thing back on here? What the Flying Dutchman? Okay, there it is. Haha. And I also got coupons to get another one if I happen to like it. I'll let you guys know how that goes. Like I said, I recently decided to start shaving my face. I didn't know I had as much peach fuzz as I do have, that I'm now realizing. I have a sample travel size of the Dove Advanced Care Beauty Finish and 48-hour protection, and this is what that looks like. Okay. I have extended moisture, tongue twisted, extended moisture 48-hour Provitamin B5 and Hydra IQ deep and long lasting moisture. This is lotion for extra crusty dry skin in a foil packet. So mind you, I'm over 5 samples right now, and now I'm still going into samples, and this is only $5 for shipping. The samples are completely free. And now I have some Advanced Care Plaque Guard dentist recommended mouth rinse, and this is in clean mint, and it's alcohol free. And this is what that looks like. Mind you, this is a travel size, so yep. Still more samples. I have the Jergens Wet Skin Moisturizer with refreshing coconut oil, with nourishing manao oil. I think that's how you say that. Yep. I have 2 samples of the Wet Skin Moisturizer from Jergens. They gave me 2 out of the 3. Loving that. Okay. More samples. I have the Keep Your Smile as White as a Professional Polish. And I have the step 1 and step 2. That was pretty nice of them to do. So I have I'm sorry, that foil packet is silver, but the silver one is step 1 and the blue one is step 2. It's a 2-step system. The Brilliance step 1 is for I want to say daily cleansing, and the whitening system is the step 2. Yep. More samples, guys. I have the Biore Free Your Pores Self-Heating 1-minute mask. So this is this is a charcoal mask, and your skin heats it up, and you pretty much like wipe it off or scrub it off. And yeah. Sorry, another silver packet. We'll be loving to test that out. And then I have the information on to feel the difference, and I have a coupon for the Dove. Okay. So I actually do have a full size of this, so this will be going into like the samples basket. Let's see, that by itself I want to say is like $4 or $5 just for the full size of this, because I know the sample of this is almost $2. So yeah, this is one of it. It says Nutrium, but it's like one of the like almost, it's like this close to clinical strength. But it's pretty good. Keeps you dry like all day. Like this is technically I want to say this is at least $4 at least. So we're up to, what's that, about $9. This is another $3 or $4. So let's say we're at about 12. This at least $6. So 18. Another $5. So 23. Fiora is another $6. So that's gonna be $29. This, I don't even know how much this costs, because I typically don't use the Crest Professional brand. So I'm guessing if you get both, it's gonna be at least like $10. So that's 31. To get the full size of the two of these, it's gonna be at least I want to say 8 together, if not more. So we're already at 39. The razor itself is like about $5. So we got $40 or more worth of product in here. And I didn't even include the lipstick yet. So for $5, this is like totally worth it. And like I said, you get this, oops, you get this every 3 months. And I love the fact that they do this way, because it's like you get more for your money if you wait. And it's only for the shipping. Like, I kid you not, it's only for the shipping. And great stuff to try out. So this is another review of the Walmart Beauty Box. Sorry you guys, I accidentally opened the Ipsy bag for the last like 3 months or so. Sorry, that's why I haven't come back with a video for unboxing. If you'd like to see more videos like this, give this a thumbs up. And all my fire starters, you can follow me on Instagram at CosmeticFire89. You can shoot me a tweet at CosmeticFire89. And you can follow me on Facebook at Kiosha Purpose Driven Butler, or add my group at Cosmetic Fire Cosmetics. And this is me signing out. Love ya.